on this cold, damp morning. Just walking up to the railway station. Bit of an epic going on next couple of days, and I'll let you know what that is soon. But welcome to Jeff on the Go. Today we're off to Prescott. I know, I've never been there. But Prescott by way of Stimmerston Newton. So a bit of a train journey, bus journey, and we're picking up some sort of van with a hoist, taking it up to Prescott. From there, we're making our way across to Leeds. But I'll fill you in as we go. Hopefully it'll be a nice day. So that's leg one of the journey over. Train to Poole, all on time. And absolutely stunning bus stop to wait at, which is just back there to my right. I just thought I'd walk along this bit away from the traffic. So yeah, Poole to Blandford next on the bus. Bus goes about 1:45, so we've got a bit of time. So not too worried. But, it's a lovely part of Poole. I'll pan around in a minute. Very picturesque. But, weather's holding off. There's some cloud, but it's not too thick at the minute. I tried to find a link between Poole and Prescott, which is our final stop of the day today. Nothing. The only link that did come up was John Prescott, who tried to stop the bridge being built in Poole. I imagine some locals wish he had. If you know anything about the Poole Twin Sails Bridge, it's out of operation more than it's in, I think. Stunning bit of construction, but hasn't always worked. And of course we've got the headquarters of the RNLI down in Poole. Do some incredible work. Some chap here, obviously a boat builder of some sort. And yeah, the RNLI place is just off down there. You see one of the boats. And this is all rather beautiful. There we go. A lot of maritime history in Poole. Anyway, see you on the next leg. So that's leg 2 done. 2 buses, one to Blandford, second one up to Stair here. So we're now just walking up to the pickup point. But, as you can see, the weather's turned. Not as dry as it was, but not too bad. It's not raining too hard. So just walking up the road here. Let's just check. Yep, a couple of turnings, and we should be there. There's nobody with this pickup, so it's just going to be a matter of getting the keys, doing the photographs, and setting off. So fairly long drive today. Don't imagine we're going to get there till late afternoon. So yeah, Stimmerston Newton This used to be one of my areas in my old job. Used to come up here and do talks at the schools. So I've not been here for a long time. Okay, so we've done the pickup. I can't show you around the outside of the vehicle because it's sign written, but we've got it. It's very dirty, as you'd expect, highway maintenance vehicle. Lots of marks, scratches, so it took a little bit of time to go around the vehicle, but we're done now. Journey time of 4 hours 28, so roughly about 5.5 hours by the time I've stopped somewhere. 231 miles, should get there about 2 o'clock. So not too bad. Done that all without the mic on, but never mind. So hopefully I'll show you some of the route on the way, but don't hold your breath because it might be a bit boring. Just a quick update. M5 traffic jam. There's been a crash up ahead somewhere, quite a way ahead, but we've got about 24 minutes of delay. So we'll see how we get along. It's still raining. Van's alright though. Driving well. Start stop's working, which is unusual. So hopefully this will speed up a bit, but it's been here a while, this accident. We were warned a while back that it was going to be here, so it's increased from 9 to 24 minutes since we got the notification. So it's the way it is, I'm afraid. Anyway, catch you again soon.